Hello everyone, if you're trying to update Hytale and you keep getting this problem, error applying update to game, error downloading patch 0, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close out Hytale, and now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here view network connections. You're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet. And if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just right click on your network connection, click properties. After that, you're going to scroll down. You're going to go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses. Write in here 8.8.8.8, and in the alternate DNS, you're going to write 8.8.4.4. Click OK, and now you're going to uncheck Internet Protocol version 6. So just do this and then click OK. After that, you're going to go ahead and set your time zone correctly with the internet, because if your time zone is set incorrectly, your computer has problems connecting to the internet. So just open up your start menu, right here date and time, set your time zone here. So just find your time zone and then set it. After that, click on set time automatically. And now what you're going to do is you're going to click on to sync now on here, and then your computer will sync your time with the time zone. Once that's done, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up the Hytale launcher, but you're going to launch it with the administrator rights. So you're going to right click on it, click run as administrator, click yes on here. And now you're going to go ahead and update your Hytale game, and you'll see that your game will now update correctly. You will not get that problem anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.